Give me any two-digit number. Just type it in the calculator.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to do the squaring of it. Okay.
Right.
Which number you choose?
95.
95. So 95 into 95, you will get 9025.
Seriously?
Okay. Give me any other number.
I got 88.
88. So 88 into 88 is 774.
How are you doing it? Okay, just
Now do the cubing of any number. Okay.
Okay.
You choose any number and you have to do the cubing of it.
55.
Oh, 55. Okay. 55 into 55 into 55. Answer is 166,375.
You're giving exactly.
Yes. Okay. Give me any other
one.
number. Now do the cubing of it.
Okay.
You can take a little harder number if you think that the number that you feel like it is very difficult to calculate.
Cube of 48.
48. Answer is C. 110592. Is it good? Okay. Now do one thing.
How is it doing?
Not
1024.
1024. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to do 1024 multiply again with 1024. It is going to be very very difficult and
Okay, I have multiplied it.
you have multiplied it already. Okay. Now you will get the answer. 1048,576. Is it correct? Okay.
Like, just say it.
Now let's go to a little further. Let's go to a little further. Choose any number. Two-digit number.
59.
Now you have to do the cubing of it. Answer would be 205379 maybe. 205379. You got the answer? But now I'm going to do something very very difficult. Okay. Now take 205379 and multiply it with again 205379. You will get a very great number now. Yes, 205379 multiply again with 205379.
Again with 25379. Yeah.
Yes. How much digit you got?
11.
It's very difficult calculation, right? And now I'm going to do it in my mind, okay? If I will tell you every number, okay? Then just... Okay.
I'm really shocked at that.
Okay. Now, see. First digit is 4,
Yes.
2,
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
8,
Yes.
okay, 0, 5, 3, 3, 6, 4, 1.
And that.
Just show it to the camera. Just show it to the camera. Is it right? Every number is correct?
Absolutely right.
Every number is correct?
Seriously, I have seen him from the first time, and he just took me randomly, and he was like, I want to show you some magical tricks, mathematical tricks. Would you come and see? And I was like, okay. I thought it would be like writing paper or something. Now I'm literally shocked. I don't know how
Okay,
he's
now do
doing
one
it.
thing more. Okay. Now, again, give me any two-digit number. Any two-digit number.
96.
96. Now do the squaring of it.
Okay.
How much you got? 9216.
Yeah.
You got 9216. Okay. Now do the cubing of it. You would get 884736.
I haven't even done it yet.
Okay.
We are
884736. Okay. Now what you have to do? See. Now you have to multiply 884736 multiply by 9216. 884736 multiply by 9216.
yeah.
Now you will get the answer. See. 8 1 5 3 7 2 6 9 7 6.
I choose 7.
7. Answer would be C. 2.64 575 131 106. Yes, is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now give any two-digit number. It would be totally random.
89.
89. Now C. Do the square root of it. You got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Now C. 9.4 3 39 8113 206.
But that was
It was good? Okay. Now tell me your date of birth. 2000?
2006.
2006. And what was the month?
12th month.
12th month December?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me the date.
25.
Okay. It would be, I think, Monday that day, you know.
How do you know?
I just calculated in my mind. Is it correct or not?
think so. I have never seen it.
Okay, let's check it. Okay, we will check it further. Okay, tell me everything. How was the experience?
It was literally like I've never seen such thing in my life. Firstly, it was like totally
Just tell me,
shocking.
like tell everything in front of the camera. Like,
Guys, this was literally something I have never ever experienced. It was just, I don't have words for that. I'm speechless. It's amazing. You must meet him once. He's really a great
thank
mathematician.
You so much.
Love it. Thank you.